southeastern Parker County in north central Texas, northeastern Stevens County in north central Texas, northern Alapinto County in north central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the thunderstorm was located near Possum Kingdom State Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 2 inch hail was reported with the storm. Hazard, 2 inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. And this severe thunderstorm will be near Possum Kingdom late around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Rayford around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Adele, Witt, Advance, Town, Joplin, Perrin, Martin's Chapel, Wizard Wells, Vineyard, and Alton. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas.